What up, y'all? It's your boy Salim, JTM Salim, international superstar and Bantu music marketer. All that means, for those of you who don't know, is I make music and I help artists just like me gain access to the African market so that way they can build a profitable music business internationally using sales, streams, and network marketing strategies. And today's topic, shit, this actually was inspired because I'm actually right here live and direct coming at you in motherfucking Nairobi, Kenya. So let's get right into it. Hey, gig, check out the gig. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about community versus individualism, or should I say, individualism versus community. Whichever one sounds sexy to you, that's the one we're gonna run with, Casti. But really, on a serious note, though, I've noticed everywhere I go here on this beautiful country, whether it's the restaurants, the hotels, the malls, doesn't matter. Majority of these places are not owned by us at all, ran by us at all, and none of us actually work there. It's crazy. It's actually owned by other communities, right? Who came together, pulled their resources together to build something powerful. And I had to stop and just think like, what your mind was like, mean the data on. What is it with us Bantu Americans, with all the talent that we have, the hustle, the creativity, main data? Why is it that we still move as individuals instead of building as a community? Why is that? Whoa, good there. Now, I can't name all the communities, Casti. I can't name all the communities that are doing this, but I can give you 4 communities that I have observed and witnessed with my own eyes that are actually killing the game, Casti. One being the Europeans, 2 Asians, 3 Indians, right? And 4 Somalians, bro. These communities are really the owners of the hotels. Shoot. Even Boomplay, bro. Even Boomplay, Africa's biggest music streaming platform, is owned by Europeans. Alright? Bros, I stayed at 2 hotels here in Nairobi, and both hotels were owned by Somalians. But when it comes to us, we don't even think like that. We're too busy stuck moving alone. Whether it's from the West or here, we're too busy stuck moving alone. Everybody wants to be the guy. Everybody wants to be the boss. Everybody wants to shine individually. But nobody wants to come together, right? And work together as one. Nobody. Wallahi yaw dildo. Dip you on a high cinnable, it starts with that. That's exactly what's holding us back. See, when we move as individuals, 3 things happen. If you're taking notes, go ahead and write this shit down, because note takers will forever be money makers. Number 1, you don't have shared resources. Number 2, you don't have collective power. Number 3, we're competing with communities that play the life of. We're competing with other communities that's playing the game of life as a group. We're too busy taught to flex and shit on each other, right? To outshine your brother, when the true power is unity, right? Because by yourself, you can go far, but together, we can go further. One person can be strong, but a fucking group can buy a block. A group can buy a gas station. A group can buy land. A group can build a fucking city. A group can start a revolution. A group can overthrow their masters. Okay? You probably heard this shit before, but if we break down the word team, it's together, everyone achieves more. But imagine, just imagine the things we could do if Bantu Americans came together just like other communities. Well, we could buy land together. We could have group investments and businesses. We could build schools, apartment complexes, right? Grocery stores. Man, we could really control our own neighborhoods. Everybody doesn't have to be the boss. Some people can just play their role, and together we could win bigger than we ever could doing it alone. All right, I feel like I've been talking your ear off. So here's the call to action. Here's the truth, all right? Nobody's coming to save us. No one's coming to save you. Watch how you spend your hours, right? I mean, nobody. So what do I mean? What am I trying to say? We're either going to move as a community, move as a collective, right? One band, one sound, or we're forever going to be stuck as individuals. But if you're really tired, sick and tired like me, of seeing us behind, it starts with you, it starts with me, and it starts with us building trust with one another and working together. All right? If you like what you heard in this video, leave a comment on how we can start working together. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and head over to movementsound.org so we can stay connected forever. Thank you.